Hi everybody. Today I will let you know which types of training I provide. I provide lots of training like MIS, advanced MIS, automation, analytics, business intelligence, and data science. You can come to MIS training. In this training, I provide knowledge of advanced Excel and reporting. Duration is 25 hours and fees 8,000 for this course. If you go for advanced MIS, then I will cover advanced Excel, VBA with Excel. Duration of the course is 50 hours, fees 16,000. If you come to automation, in automation I cover up advanced Excel, VBA with Excel, MS Access, VBA with MS Access. Duration of this course is 100 hours. Course fees 32,000. Analytics course. In this course, I will cover Advanced Excel, VBA with Excel, and SQL Server. Duration of the course is 80 hours. Course fees 24,000. Go to next course, Business Intelligence. In this course, I will cover complete analytics course. Apart from complete analytics course, I will cover Power BI and Tableau. Anyone, whether you have to learn Power BI or Tableau, you have to choose. Duration of this course is 100 hours, fees 34,000. In case you want to learn data science, then you have to cover all the business intelligence part. Apart from business intelligence part, I will cover R or Python. Anyone, whether R or Python, you have to choose anyone. Duration of this course is 130 hours. Course fee is 50,000. All the course you have to pay in installments. If you want to learn MIS, then you have to pay in two installment. If you want to learn advanced MIS, you have to pay in three installment. If you want to learn analytics, you have to pay in four installment. For business intelligence, you can pay in installment. Any of the course you have to choose, and you have to pay in installment. Apart from that, I want to let you know, if you want to grow in your career, then not only learning, you have to practice a lot. Otherwise you cannot be perfect. Without practicing, you cannot be perfect in any of the tools. Okay, so you have to give at least 1 hour in practice. Then you will be feel comfortable to work on those tools, whatever I will teach you. Otherwise it's not possible to learn tool only, because everyone teach you tool, but for perfection you have to practice lot. So make sure, if you come to me, then you have to decide, I will give 1 hour in practice. Otherwise no need to learn any of the course. I'm a professional trainer. I have 12 years experience in same industries. Currently I'm working as a commercial support manager, analytics. So I have used lots of tool in my 12 years career. I have parallel training experience approximately 10 years. So I will teach you everything, but you have to learn everything properly. Be continue in class, learn properly, clear your all doubts, then you will feel perfect after completing any of the course. Otherwise, if you join the course and do not practice, then you cannot be perfect in any of the course. In case you are non-technical background, then you should start with Excel. Do not go directly on Python or R, because this is a high level language. For Python or R, you have to create a background to learn database and coding part. Like in Python, if you are not well in coding in any of the tool like a VBA or .NET, whatever, then you cannot learn Python easily. You will not get advantage in the company. So make sure go step by step. Do not choose any high level course. You will not get any benefit after learning Python or Tableau or whatever without creating background for all those tools. So if you are a non-technical background, then you should start with advanced Excel, VBA, and SQL. This is part of data analytics. Go through this course and make your career, take a job. Then you can go for other course like business intelligence or data science. It will be right path for you in your career growth. Otherwise, you will waste your money after learning each and everything, but you will not get perfection in any of the tool. So in in case you learn to me, you have to pay. If you join Excel, then you have to pay for Excel. If you go for VBA, then you have to pay for VBA. Course by course you have to pay, tool by tool you have to pay. I'm not asking entire amount of the fee, so you have to pay one by one, plan accordingly. That's it from my side. You can see my uh, contact number. I have 9871616527 is my normal number. In case you want to connect with WhatsApp, then you have to choose second number 9899282365. Location is Gurgaon sector 15. You can go through my website. Website name is misanalytics.in. You can this is in progress phase. It's not complete website. It's is in build in progress phase. It's not completed now. So after some time you will get complete website. You can download all the course content there. That's it. Thank you.